What's up, YouTube? Geo here. Just wanted to make a quick video about this GoPro Silver 7 Silver Pro. This is what I use to start to do some of my videos as of the last couple of weeks. And one of the problems I've been having with this thing is, as of recently, is that it will not charge and it will not come on. And I have tried everything. I have Google, watched a couple YouTube videos, and tried everything, and it still won't turn on. And this is what I found to work. And if you guys have one of this GoPro 7 Silver Pro, just this is what you guys can do to get it going. This is what I found worked for me, and I'm thinking it will probably work for you as well. So I press and hold this button here for about 10 seconds. This red light's supposed to come on and it wasn't. And I had it plugged into the wall outlet, and what I found work is if you guys just take it and kind of just plug it into your computer, you guys gonna see a pop-up coming up, come up. If not, just go to your desktop icon, and just pull it up on your desktop while connected to the internet. Then it seems to start charging, and it's been charging ever since with no problem. So if you guys have one of these GoPro 7 Silver Pro and having an issue with it not coming on, not powering up, not charging, the red light here, the red light in front ain't coming on, try to, plug it in your USB cord, plug it in your computer, and, kind of pull it up, and the red light should come on. That should fix the problem. All right. Hope that works for you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.